Hello, Mr. Agarwal. Welcome to the BW Disrupt 40 Under 40 Awards. Just had 2 or 3 questions to ask.
Sure.
First of all, please let us know what exactly the award and the recognition means to you and your company.
It really shows how the efforts are valued, right? Whatever energies, whatever efforts which we put to build over here to get recognized gives us that we are going in the right direction. There's a lot of growth which can happen over here, but we want to grow as well. So it just gives us the right motivation and hope, which Anurag sir said in the very right way.
In 2025, we were expecting that the investor sentiment will grow,
Right.
but still we are thinking, we are seeing that not on that level. Uh, what are the reasons, in your opinion, behind this sort of thinking among the investors?
See, investor sentiment. Okay, so I'll just take a step back and ask why do we need an investor money to grow faster or use their leverage connections? And as I was speaking on the panel, in reality, there are a lot of small profitable companies which are building in India right now. So when you think at an aggregate level, our industry growth is growing, our profitability is growing, right? But our investment might be growing, which degrowing, which might be a very good thing for us because we as a country are building more and more recognized startups which are profitable with Startup 2.0, with Bharat 1.0, with support from Modi sir and everyone. We are getting a lot of right angles to grow. And that's when a lot of unorganized market is becoming organized and becoming profitable. And that I believe is the right direction for anyone. And I believe investors will look into it and then will start flowing in more money after that.
In your opinion, what are the biggest opportunities lies in front of the India startup coming over the decade?
See, I honestly believe there was a very interesting topic which I was discussing with someone, which is called a Maslow's pyramid. Now, Maslow's pyramid talks about that we as humans first look for safety, then we look for food, then we look for our belongingness, and then we look for aspirations and then self-esteem, right? आज के दिन में मिडिल क्लास में आपका सेफ्टी सेट है. वी आर नॉट एट अ वॉर कंट्री. आपका सर्वाइवल चैलेंज नहीं है. सो यू हैव मूव्ड टू द नेक्स्ट लैब वेयर यू आर इनटू मोर इनटू योर फूड, राइट? आप आज के दिन में मिडिल क्लास को प्रोटीन पाउडर नहीं बेच सकते, बट आप 1% टॉप 2% को आप मिडिल प्रोटीन पाउडर हर चीज में बेच सकते हैं, right? So you need to identify the right audience. There are a lot of gaps available. You identify them and then fulfill that product to them, and then we have seen amazing results coming out of that.
Just a last question, like what exactly are the three, if I ask three, the defining trends of your sector which you have observed so far?
The three defining trends. Number one, like if I can say, all three are AI, and AI, right? But AI used in the right way is the biggest gap which is coming up, and a lot of startups building their own thing, building their own AI, I believe. Building rather than building your own AI, if you can just smartly utilize which is already existing and build on top of it, that is the biggest thing. That's number one. Number two is the AI at the right cost. Costing is one of the biggest parameters. For an example, शायद आपको नहीं पता हो, but आपको Perplexity या ChatGPT तो फ्री में मिल गया, but ChatGPT Pro, if you want to buy it for your company, it's expensive. If we can get at an economical rate more tools for the companies to grow, that will be the second thing. And third will be, and I love this, is that how UPI and ONDC has broken the entire organized structure of payments and everything. A lot of unstructured market has become structured. A lot of people are part of this. I remember in my very classic example, I hail from a tier 4 town. जो पहले के ज़माने में पोस्ट वाले की जो इज्जत होती थी, अरे खत आ गया, और वो डिलीवरी वाले के हो गए, अरे पार्सल आ गया, और वो पर्सन सेम है, क्योंकि मिंत्रा का आदमी जो डिलीवर करता है टियर 4 टाउन में अभी भी वही कर रहा है, और वो खुशी जो खत की है वो इसमें हो गई है. सो आई बिलीव दिस हैज हेल्प्ड अस अ लॉट टू bring the tier 4, tier 5 towns.
Thank you so much, Mr. Agarwal.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your timing.
Thank you. I hope it was good.